It's about the quilting fairy.
Yes.
This is like a whole all about the quilting fairy. I don't know anything about the quilting fairy.
Do you want to tell me about the quilting fairy? What do you think the quilting fairy is?
I think the quilting fairy is anyone who is an experienced quilter of whatever level that happily shares their knowledge with people like me who are new to it and don't know what they're doing yet.
I'm staying in my lane of beginner. I like that lane. I'm going to stay in it. Thank you, Miss Kelly.
Certainly.
All right, Miss Sue, quiz time. Who do you think the quilting fairy is?
Paula.
Why Paula?
Why not Paula?
What does the quilting fairy do for you then? Poor Paula.
Oh, the quilting fairy does nothing for me.
What about you, Miss Steph? What do you think the quilting fairy is?
I'm not sure, but I'm going to go home tonight. I'm going to ask the tooth fairy, see if she knows her. I'm pretty sure it's a girl. Pretty sure.
Yeah. So you guys have no idea who the quilting fairy is?
None whatsoever.
Me either, because I just invented her. But apparently Miss Sue thinks Miss Paul is the quilting fairy.
It could be.
She does a lot of quilting.
She does.
Yeah.
Thank you, ladies.
Shoot.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right. Who do you think the quilting fairy is?
The quilting fairy, I have two.
Oh?
Yeah, I have two.
Ooh.
One of my quilting fairies is actually you, Johanna.
Wait, what?
Yeah, you are one of my quilting fairies because you gave us this big, beautiful store to work in that brings all of our quilting supplies and needs that we need to quilt. So you are one of my quilting fairies. And then my other one is actually Sue. And yes, I said Sue. I know she's our garment sewer here, but she is the person that helped me make my first quilt, which was all pinwheels. So that was exciting. Yes. And yes, she was wonderful. She was perfect. And she got on me about my perfect points. So yeah, she's my sewing fairy and you're my sewing fairy.
I appreciate that.
Yeah,
Thank
absolutely.
you.
Thank you.
I'll turn this off.
That I can't help you with. Maybe some fairies will come help
Nope,
you.
that ain't it. I'm getting buttons everywhere.